Coal handling plant plays a vital role in mining industry. The coal excavated is received and is dispatched to various consumers through CHP. This figure shows a schematic diagram for conveyor lines of new CHP. The new CHP of Dipka area is in continuous operation since August 2014 and its annual capacity is 20 million tons. This is the overview of complete system starting from receiving point to loading point. The coal passes through different phases before reaching loading point. The end-to-end distance between in-pit and the loading point is around 5.1 kilometers along the conveyor. The coal mined from coal phase is carried to truck receiving station located in in-pit by tippers. There are total number of 4 truck receiving stations, each having 6 steel hoppers of capacity 40 ton. Each receiving station is connected to a pair of short length conveyors. These conveyors transfer coal to main belt P2, Q2, R2 through transfer house 1, 2, 3 and 4. Main belt have 3 belt streams in series, that is P2, Q2, R2, P1, Q1, R1 and B1, B2, B3. There are 4 numbers of 300 kW motor driving each conveyor. P2, Q2, R2 then transfer coal to P1, Q1, R1 through transfer house 7. And then P1, Q1, R1 transfers coal to B1, B2, B3 through transfer house 8. The whole system is centrally operated from master control room through PLC based automation system and SCADA. All the conveyors, motors and the protection equipment are controlled through logics. From here, 3-phase motor currents driving the conveyors, temperature of gear and the total running hours of conveyors is monitored. B1, B2, B3 finally transfers coal to 2 numbers of RCC overhead bunkers of 10,000 ton capacity. One feeding bunker is for dispatch to NTPC and another bunker is for private consumers through truck loading station. Coal is reclaimed through conveyors B12, B13. The coal reclaimed is transferred to B14, B15 through transfer house 11. The conveyors to rapid loading system are controlled through a PLC based automation and SCADA system. B14, B15 transfers coal to 2 numbers of silo of 3200 ton each capacity with a rapid loading system of 5500 TPH. The coal is being dispatched to NTPC CPAT by their own arrangement of merry-go-round system. Each rake consisting of 43 wagons of 62 ton each. The total loading time of one wagon is approximately 1 minute. Two numbers of pre-weighing hoppers along with the load discharge system are present below each silo for loading of coal into bottom discharge wagons. The load discharge system consists of swing chute with a flow control gate. Pre-weighed coal of 62 ton is regulated through 4 numbers of silo discharge gates. The coal falls freely through flow control gate into wagons below it, and this will continue for few seconds until the heap of coal in the wagon has built up to a sufficient height to choke the coal flow. In this way, other wagons are also loaded and the coal is dispatched to NTPC Sipat.